In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Momentum Based ZigZag in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you normally use. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, we're going to start by opening up the Indicators menu. Look toward the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the middle or toward the top left of the toolbar, labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new window or panel where you can browse all the built-in tools, community scripts, and your own saved indicators. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through long lists. In the search field, start typing Momentum Based ZigZag. As you type, TradingView will filter the results below. Give it a second to load and you should see the Momentum Based ZigZag indicator show up in the list. Once it appears, simply click on it. TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart and you'll see the zigzag lines overlaying price, highlighting swing highs and lows based on momentum. If the lines don't appear right away, double check that the indicator is toggled on in your indicators list, usually found on the left side of the chart under the object tree or indicators tab. You can also click the settings icon next to the indicator's name to customize things like sensitivity or colors, depending on what options are available. Adjusting these can help you fine-tune how much detail you see in the swings, which can be really useful for your style of trading. Now, since we're using TradingView Pro in this tutorial, remember that Pro gives you more indicator slots, more alerts, and better overall performance, which is especially helpful if you like to stack several tools together on the same chart. If you're not on Pro yet and you want to upgrade, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to all the features I'm using here, including a smoother experience when working with indicators like Momentum Based ZigZag. And that's all you need to get Momentum Based ZigZag up and running in TradingView Pro.